Hi everyone. In this session we'll see the problem on single phase fully controlled converter for separately excited DC motor. A single phase full wave converter controls a separately excited DC motor of rating 10 HP, 1500 RPM. Assuming the rated motor current of 30 amperes and supply voltage of 250 volts, find the average torque developed by the motor and what would be the speed. We need to find out the average torque and speed. Assume continuous motor current and armature resistance as 0.5 ohm while the motor constant is 0.18 volts per RPM. The converter is operating with alpha is equal 0 degrees. So this is the problem statement. In this problem statement they were given the motor initial speed and its armature current, motor current of 30 amperes and supply voltage of 250 volts. So we need to find out the average torque and speed for the given motor constant and with firing angle alpha is equal 0 with an armature resistance of 0.5 ohm. For this, the motor constant they were given in the problem statement in volts per RPM. Generally, if you want to use it in the torque equation, torque T is equal average torque T is equal K pi into Ia. Here K pi is in volts per radians per second. To find out that given KPI in volts per radians per second, the given motor constant K pi is equal 0.18 volt per RPM is converted into the volts per radians per second. So 0.18 is divided by volts per 1 RPM, right? 1 RPM is converted into the radians per second means 2 pi into 1 by 60, that will give 0.18 into 60 by 2 pi. So it is approximately 1.72 volt seconds per radians. Now you can use the K pi constant in the torque equation directly. Torque T is equal K pi into Ia. So we need to find out the torque, right? Ia they were given 30 amperes. So K pi in volts per radians per second 1.72. If you multiply both of them, we will get the torque as 51.6 Newton meters. Okay. So one we got it. Another thing is we need to find out the speed. To find out that speed, the relation is omega m is equal to Eb by K pi. So omega m is equal to Eb by K pi. Eb can be rewritten as Va minus Ia Ra by K pi. So here the unknown value is only Va because armature current they were given as 30 amperes in the problem statement, armature resistance as 0.5 ohm, K pi we already got it, K pi also they were given. We need to find out the Va. To find out this Va, the Va is equal to or V0 output voltage or Va is equal to 2 Vm by pi cos alpha, because from AC to DC we need to convert and that need to be given to the motor, right? So for that they were given the supply voltage of 250 volts. So this is the RMS voltage. 250 volts is the RMS voltage. The corresponding firing angle is alpha is equal 0 degrees. So we can substitute those values 2 into to find out, to convert that RMS into maximum, 250 into root 2 by pi into cos 0 degrees. That will give the Va. Approximately it is 225.08 volts. We can substitute this Va in this equation, omega m equation, to get the speed. First we can substitute this Va in the Eb equation. Eb is equal Va minus Ia Ra. Va is equal to 225.08 minus Ia is 30 into 0.5, that will give approximately 210 volts. So substitute in the omega m is equal to Eb by K pi. If you take the K pi which is in volts per radians per second, then you will get the speed in radians per second. That is Eb is equal to 210 by 1.72 will give the 122.09 radians per second. If you take the K pi like in the problem statement 0.18 volts per RPM, Then you'll get the speed also in terms of RPM, EB by K pi. So 210 by 0.18, that will give the 1166.6 RPM. Simply, so we find out the torque and speed of the motor. So for better understanding, just like in the earlier session, so here full converter supply voltage they were given, it is 250 volts, and the corresponding firing angle of the converter is alpha is equal 0 degrees, and this is connected to the motor. Okay, so this motor armature current they were given as 30 amperes. Okay, and the motor constant K pi is equal to 0.18 volts per RPM, and we need to find out this VA. This is nothing but VA or V naught. Output of the fully controlled converter is nothing but input to the DC motor. So input to the DC motor, that's why we are finding out this VA by using 2 Vm by pi, the converter output voltage. V naught is equal to 2 Vm by pi cos alpha. Alpha they were given, Vm is nothing but here RMS voltage given, that we were converted to the maximum voltage, and then we'll get this VA. So the armature resistance also they were given, RA is equal to 0.5 ohm. From this we got all this. Motor torque T is equal to K pi into Ia, and motor speed which is equal to EB by K pi. EB is equal to VA minus IRA. From this given data we find both of them. Thank you all.